Happy Friday!
Happy Friday!
In the spirit of Halloween, we are in our Halloween costumes. I'm Rachel. I'm UpKeep's Associate Product Manager.
And I'm Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder of UpKeep. I'm also a pickle today.
In case you didn't gather that, I'm a lion. We're really excited today to announce our features for this week. So starting with an additional filter for our purchase orders. So a while back, we added the ability to set your purchase orders as partially fulfilled. Now you can actually filter your purchase orders with this new status to be able to take a look at all of those that are in that partially fulfilled state. And in addition to that, our engineering team has been working really hard to make a lot of improvements on the back end. So making some bug fixes as they've been reported. And so those of you that are reporting it know when those fixes come out. And you'll just be noticing a lot of improvements in the way the app moves. It'll be a lot smoother, faster, and you'll see a lot of efficiency there. So just a lot of improvements made. So we're really excited for you guys to see that new improvement on your end.
Awesome. Our engineering team, our product team have been working super hard. Thank you to all of them.
Yes.
On top of that, we also updated single sign-on. So that's SSO. So for those of you guys that don't know what SSO is, it basically allows you to have one application that allows you to manage all of your different authentications across all of your different softwares that you may use. And one of those could be UpKeep. So this week, we enabled the ability within your single sign-on, within UpKeep, to enable native login. So what that means is it allows your users to log in with either just single sign-on, or you could also have a username and password. Also, on our single sign-on settings, you can now update your single sign-on every single time you update, or every single time you log into the UpKeep application. So it allows for that two-way sync, just seamless communication between UpKeep and your single sign-on provider. So if you guys use single sign-on, definitely check those two features and settings out. It's a big one.
Yeah, we're super excited. So we hope you all had a safe and fun Halloween, and we hope you have a great weekend.
Happy November!
Bye.